Hello everyone, welcome back to the Research Talks channel. I'm Mildred. In today's video, we are going to discuss a fundamental aspect of research, data collection. This can refer to a process of gathering and measuring information on variables of interest in a systematic and unorganized manner. It is a critical step in the research process, as the quality and the reliability of the data collected directly impacts the validity of your research findings. Effective data collection allows researchers to answer research questions, to test hypotheses, and to draw meaningful conclusions from the study findings. Now that we have a basic understanding on what data collection is, let's explore some of the methods that we use to collect data in research. There are various methods that are available out there, including surveys, interviews, observations, and experiments. Each method has its advantages and limitations, so it is very essential to select the most appropriate one based on your research objectives and constraints. For example, surveys are a popular method for collecting large amounts of data quickly and effectively. They are great for gathering information from a diverse audience, and they can be conducted either online or in person. And there are tools that are used in each of these data collection methods. We will look at the tools in the next video. Another method is interviews. These, on the other hand, they allow researchers to delve deeper into a topic and explore participants' perspectives in a more detailed manner. For example, you might have used surveys and collected some information, but something might be lacking, or you might need to get a deeper understanding. This is where you can bring in the interviews, whereby you'll be able to now ask more deeper questions while interacting with the study participant directly. And not forgetting that these interviews, they are particularly useful for qualitative research studies, or when the study needs to have a personal connection with the participants that are participating. Another data collection method is the observation. Observational studies involve directly observing and recording behavior in a natural setting. This method is valuable for studying human behavior in the real-world context, but can be time-consuming and subject to observer's bias because literally you're collecting data by looking at what is being done. So sometimes your bias, you as an observer or as a researcher, might influence the findings that you collect through this method, but it's also one of the methods that we use in data collection. And lastly, the experiments. These involve manipulating variables to observe their effects and outcomes. Remember, we started by saying we are collecting data on the different variables in the study. So under the experiment method, we are manipulating, we are playing around with these variables. We are testing to see if this variable maybe is tested with this, what will be the effect? What will be the outcome? While these experiments offer strong causal inference, they may be challenging to conduct in certain research settings. Ultimately, the key is to carefully consider the strengths and the weaknesses of each of the data collection method before you choose it, so that you choose the one that best suits your research goals. That's all for today in this video. I hope you found this overview of data collection methods helpful. Kindly don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.